Hello everybody, it's Christine and I've got something a little different today because I am joining the Counterfeit Kit Challenge design team. So I'm pretty excited about this. I was actually a guest designer back in October and some spots opened up, so I applied and I've been honored to be chosen. So this month it's May, so you'll see this reveal on May 1st. Let me kind of show you, the inspiration is from Not Just for Boys Kit Club. And you can kind of see I'm hopeful you can see. Hopefully I'm close enough. Yeah, here we go. We got like a green little plaid. It's kind of in this green, yellow, kind of like neutrally, palette here. And I say green, it's kind of got this like not teal, but like a real soft, kind of light tealish green or whatever. And then there's big letters. And basically, you could do, it has Hey Dude and the boys, so it could have gone a little masculine or whatever. Here's some close-ups of some of the other stuff here. There's some more yellow embellishments here. Here's a stencil and some little florals, some like dot or like enamel, not enamel, I don't know what that was maybe, but some kind of like enamel dot type stuff. And then of course some embellishments and things. Here's the A papers and the B papers. There's this wood grain on here. So let me show you what I've got here. I did kind of go down the green / yellow, palettes here. I did pull out a couple of neutral cardstocks, just like I don't know, what is that, craft, brown, whatever you want to call it. I also have this one, so there's kind of more neutral there. I found, this is all from my stash, by the way. Let me kind of tell you, I should tell you this. So the concept of this blog / Facebook group / challenge is we pick a current or more recent kit club. Like I said, this one was Not Just for Boys Kit Club. And then you build a counterfeit kit around that kind of inspiration from your own stash. So that's why I've gotten into my own stash here, because I'm building a counterfeit kit based off that kit there. So I found this like green leafy paper. I looked for a plaid, and the closest I could really get was this one, and that's a scrap, obviously. And then I saw those big circles. I wished I had it was called like Hipster or something, but it was so old. I didn't have anything left of it. So I kind of went with these circles. We'll see if I can make that work. There was a yellow like pattern in the lower left of that picture, so I went with that. Then there was, I don't know if you noticed, but I didn't point it out, but there's big letters on one of the papers, so I got that. I was really pleased to have found that. And then I did find a little wood grain. This is a Heartfelt Creations paper. And I'm thinking, okay, that could work. And then, of course, I mentioned this little plaid here. So those are the papers I've picked. I don't know that I'll be using the backside of any of them because I don't think they really go with the kit. Other than unless that's a cool little word pattern there. But that's what I got going on. Then, from the embellishment side, I got into all my I have a little binder with a bunch of stuff. I did have Happy left over from another little recent, I think, scrap room kit. So I pulled that out because the colors kind of go. I did pull out some stuff in this green. This was in a little binder. Uh-oh, y'all. Okay, there we go. I have like a little camera. That's actually Vicky Boot. And I pulled a Vicky Boot and a couple of Vicky Boot and things because they had those greens. Uh-oh. I've got little adhesives on the back of some of these, y'all. So I've got those, couple of tickets here. I did try to go a little bit on the man side, so I found a couple of dad ones. I'm going to see if I can find some picture of my dad to work with it. I did find this Lead With Your Heart. I thought that was kind of pretty. Always Together. These are just kind of in the color inspiration, y'all. Route 66. And then there's this little, this got a little green to it. So we'll see if I get to use that. I did pull out a Cocoa Vanilla, the Daydream. There's a lot of little big titles in here. And it's kind of going along with they had like Hey Dude and stuff like that. I did find Hipster. This was my mind's eye. I think this was called Hipster back then. Pretty sure it was. And I found the Brads. So the color palette, not this peachy one, so ignore the peachy one. But I think this looks really good, some of these. And then I pulled out a stencil because there was a little geometric stencil. And I've got this kind of paste here, the gilding paste. It's a dark kind of like charcoal-y color. And then from a letters perspective, I pulled out this yellow. There was a script font. I have some script fonts, but they're not in the right colors. So I did pull out a yellow font. I did pull out these little like letters here. I don't know if I'm able to use these or spell anything. I'm hopeful I can because I do think they're pretty with this. And then I pulled out these because there's a lot of numbers and stuff. So this is what oh, and I have this up here, but not all of this would work. I'd have to pick out like these two here. I saw these two here would work. This never gets old might work. You know, something off of this sheet might work. So I'll set that aside here too. So that is what I'm starting with. I'll be on the challenge. There's challenge 2. So kind of check out it'll be revealed, of course, and then I'll have it on I think that's the 18th. And then I'll probably be contributing throughout the month on various other little things. So just kind of watch for those. But thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry it's not a process video, but you'll see that shortly. And again, just this is a reveal. And definitely check out the links below because I'll have the blog, the Facebook group. I'll probably share my link from October as well, so you kind of get a sense of how it works too. And we'll see you then next time. Bye.